The hashtag #MeToo movement clearly showed us where we stand as a country in assuring safety to women. One of the most vulnerable situations for women arises while using different means of transportation. As can be seen clearly, we see many reports of women getting harassed in cabs on a daily basis. So, to tackle this issue of women's safety that is so intrinsically woven into the fabrics of our civilization, we have used artificial intelligence and machine learning to create a service for existing cab aggregators to improve the safety of passengers. After going through several incidents of harassments, we found that there were certain triggers that were happening almost always. Like the first one is the facial recognition system that we install it in our cab. The second one is the emotion recognition that does an emotion recognition on both the passenger as well as the driver. And the third one is the weapon detection. Since computer vision system tends to fail in the absence of light, we are also doing emotion analysis using audio that is generated inside the cabin. For audio analysis, we are using Pi audio analysis.
Check the efficiency and practicality of our algorithms. We tested it on one of the videos from YouTube and found fascinating results. The results shown here show that the driver is unknown. Although it is showing Hirsch, the percentage match is very low, which indicates an unknown driver. To get an actual proof of concept, we went on to try our system in a real cab and we found interesting results. First, we installed the camera module in the cab and a driver was seated on its place. Since the camera module is just an ordinary smartphone app, it can easily be integrated with existing cab aggregator services app which the drivers use. Here we are enacting a real life scenario where the driver is sitting in the cab and the passenger has just entered. The cabin environment is continuously being monitored by algorithms. As we'll see later, the authorized driver decides to leave the car and hand it over to another unknown person, which may lead to an abduction case.
Nothing. बात करते हैं. Give me money. Give me money. Hey, give me money. Don't.
The algorithms detect a known person. The second part of the system is the dashboard for 24/7 response team of the cab aggregators. They can see in real time the status of each cab and also metadata associated with each. As we can see here, SafeCab 2 is online and the risks are changing dynamically.
What are you doing?
Also, the algorithms detect the emotional state of the driver and passenger accurately. The algorithms are also able to detect weapons. As we can see here, the driver is threatening the passenger with a knife and the person is still found to be unknown.
I said keep quiet. Right. बात करता है ऐसे आ जाता.
Let's have a look what happens when a cabbie is threatened by his driver. The person sitting at the dashboard can see what is happening inside the car in real time and report and maybe send some help by the police. This helps to reduce the overall response time.